Get started with your KitchenAid vegetable sheet cutter attachment. Secure the vegetable sheet cutter attachment to the power hub of your stand mixer and move the blade carrier into the locked position. Trim the fruit or vegetable of your choice and insert the food holder into one end. If processing a zucchini or cucumber, insert the zucchini-cucumber adapter into the other end, making sure the red markings are aligned and the pieces are centered. Secure the food and food holder by twisting clockwise until locked into place. Then insert the food skewer completely through the vegetable. Insert the desired blade into the blade carrier. Turn on your stand mixer. Unlock the blade by pulling and lifting the release lever and rotating slowly until the blade reaches the food. Once the food stops processing, turn off the stand mixer. Rotate the blade carrier back into the locked position. Remove the blade first, then remove the skewer, food, and adapter if necessary. Reinvent classic meals and inspire your culinary creativity. The KitchenAid Vegetable Sheet Cutter Attachment from KitchenAid.